In today's video, I am going to teach you how to handle inventory showing sold out on Shopify. When a product shows as sold out, it often means the inventory settings are telling Shopify to stop sales as soon as stock hits zero. If you are comfortable taking orders while you restock, or if you offer made-to-order items, you can adjust one setting on the product to prevent the sold out message from blocking purchases. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products. This is where you manage everything you sell, including titles, images, pricing, and stock settings. In the Products area, find the specific item that is showing sold out and click directly on the product name to open its details page. Make sure you are editing the exact product or variant that customers are trying to buy, especially if the item comes in different sizes or colors. Once you are on the product page, scroll down until you see the inventory section. This section controls how Shopify tracks stock and how it behaves when inventory runs out. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, because Shopify pages can be long, and it is easy to miss the inventory area if you scroll too quickly. In the inventory section, look for the option labeled Continue Selling when out of stock. Check that box. Turning this on tells Shopify to allow customers to place an order even if the inventory count reaches zero. This is useful if you are expecting new stock soon, if you are able to fulfill orders with a delay, or if your inventory numbers are not always updated in real time. After you check the box, click Save. Saving is important because Shopify will not apply the change until you do. Give it a second to update and make sure the page shows that your changes were saved successfully. At this point, the product should no longer be blocked from selling just because it reached zero inventory. Keep in mind that you will still want to manage fulfillment expectations on your end, since customers can now purchase even when stock is unavailable. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.